In today's video, I will show you how to earn money by typing CAPTCHAS. So stay tuned to know more about it. Step 1. Type the words into the CAPTCHA box. Step 2. Click on I'm not a robot. Step 3. Money lands straight into bank account before I show you how to earn $75 every 30 minutes typing CAPTCHAS. As you can see, a payment has been sent to me from these 3 websites that I am about to show you. Now, results are not guaranteed. So, you might earn more than this, the same or a little bit less. But I can tell you one thing. If you don't follow the exact steps through the entire video, results like this will not be possible. So make sure to stick through and don't skip over any of the steps. So now let's go on and get into the 3 steps to earning $75 every 30 minutes typing CAPTCHAS. So step 1, I will reveal the 3 websites that will certainly pay you to type CAPTCHAS. Step 2, I will show you how to earn the quickest and easiest with these websites. And step 3, I will show you how to automate your earnings online. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button and share it with others. Now let's start the video. If you don't know what CAPTCHAs are, I will show you exactly what they are here in this video. As you can see, it's usually when a website wants to verify that you are a human. So it says select all images with the storefront. So then you have to choose the little pictures that match that, where it may select all the images with something like a school bus, and then you select all of them and press verify. Now that is solving CAPTCHAs. Now there are websites out there that will certainly pay you to solve CAPTCHAs from them. So I will jump into the 3 websites right now. Now the first website is not the highest paying, yet definitely one you want to get started with. This will be from lowest paying to highest paying, so make sure to stick all the way through. Now this one is called Easytypingjob.com. It says a new way to make money is revolutionary online jobs, type CAPTCHA entries and get guaranteed. It's popular across the border, so it's worldwide. This works throughout the world. You can sign up, register for free and get started making money typing CAPTCHAs. There is lots of people on this particular site because it's simple to work. It's not hard to type CAPTCHAs or select little pictures that match, which guarantees payment. It's 100% trusted as well as approved globally. So this is an easy website to get started with, not the highest paying one, but one you want to get started with. Now let's go on and move on to the second website, which will paying you even higher for typing CAPTCHAs and been around even longer than this site right here. The next website is called CAPTCHA.com. As you can see, their CAPTCHAs are extremely simple, starting at 50 cents per CAPTCHA. All you have to do is fill out the letters and then verify and get paid out. So there is a lot of people on this particular site getting paid. You can start very quickly, register here, instant payment and do this from home. It's very easy and simple. You can do this on your phone or computer and in your spare time. So this is very easy to do and you can do them fairly quickly. If you have 30 minutes to an hour, you can earn a decent amount on this site. You know they are supported worldwide and you get paid out daily on this particular site. So, CAPTCHA.com is very easy to get started with. Solve the CAPTCHA and work on CAPTCHA recognition, as well as you get paid even more. So, let's go ahead and go over to website number 3. I will show you how to get paid with this website. Now, this is Capturetocashorg. This is one of the highest paying site. It says right here how to earn money with a CAPTCHA. So, you register at this website utilizing this particular code. You want to use this code to earn even more and then sell CAPTCHAs and earn money and get paid. All you have to do is click on this right here and it will take you onto this website right here called megatypers.com. You can earn an extra $200 every month, and I know they say monthly, but you can earn that daily if you work a lot more. Now most people choose not to do this all the time. Some people choose to do this for 10 minutes and some choose to do it for 2 hours. It's all going to depend on how busy you are and what your day looks like. And that's it. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button and leave a comment down below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.